Hello students, how are you all? So today we discuss about if-else statement. Earlier we discussed about the if statement. Now the next is if-else statement. Okay, the condition says that if the statement within the if condition are true, then the statement within this block will be executed. If the condition within if block becomes false, then the else block will be executed. It means the statements belongs to else block will be executed. Okay. Now let us see the example that is based on this condition. Here is a program that we have to print out, we have to display the result whether a person can live alone or not. Okay. So the condition is if he earns 400 per week, then he can live alone. If he cannot able to earn 400 within a week, then he is not able to live alone. Okay, so this is the condition. Now put this condition in the program. Here I use a variable hourly pay. It means कि 1 hour में उसको कितना पे किया जाता है. Okay, so hourly pay equals to integer input 1 hour payment. Firstly, we enter 1 hour payment. How much we can enter the value? We can enter the value. Second variable is hours work. It means how many hours the person works. Then hour works equals to integer input number of hours you can work. It means a person can work how many hours in a week. Now weekly pay equals to hours pay multiplied by hours work. Okay, according to the condition कि जो हमने यहाँ पर कैलकुलेशन की है कि उसको पूरा वीकली पेमेंट कितना मिलता है, 1 आवर का पेमेंट मल्टीप्लाई बाय आवर्स वर्क. इट मीन्स उसने कितने आवर्स पूरे वीक में काम किया है. नाउ लेट अस चेक इफ वीकली पेमेंट ग्रेटर देन 400. अगर उसका पेमेंट बनता है 400 से ग्रेटर, देन there will be a result can live alone. It means a person can live alone. Else, अगर ये कंडीशन फॉल्स हो जाती है, it means the result becomes less than 400. Okay? यहां पर हम एक चीज और ऐड कर सकते हैं कि if the result becomes 400 तो क्या होगा? Okay? Hourly pay greater than equals to 400. Okay? If weekly pay greater than equals to 400, then the result will print can live alone. Okay? Else print cannot live alone. So it is a program of if-else statement, if-else condition. यहाँ पर आप ध्यान रखेंगे वीकली पे ये हमारे पास क्या है? इट्स अ वेरिएबल. ठीक है, इट इज अ वेरिएबल, इट इज ऑल्सो अ वेरिएबल. ठीक है, अब हम जो यहाँ पर इनपुट यूजर से ले रहे हैं वो किस फॉर्म, वो कैसा होगा? इट इज इंटीजर. ओके, नाउ यहां पर हमने फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया है. ध्यान रखेंगे whenever we are applying the condition, there we use colon sign which says the end of the condition. Okay, now print, whenever we are print the string, then we should and close it in double quotes. Okay, else is also a condition, so we also put here the colons. Then print cannot live alone, it is also a string, and we also put it within the double quotes. Here our program is completed. Next, there is also a program based on this condition. Check whether a number is even or odd. Now we have another program where we need to check the inputted number by the user is even or odd. Then how can we check it? Firstly, we write the statement x equals to integer input, enter any positive number. Firstly, we provide the statement to the user to providing a number for the so that we can check the number. Now apply the condition. If x modulus, we know what is the work of modulus. There is a difference between this and this. It is not the percentage. ये आपका percent sign नहीं है, and it's a division sign. Whenever we are using the modulus, it will give us remainder. Okay, and it's a division symbol. एक बार और इसका एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको बता देता हूं. जैसे we have 5 modulus 2, the result of this becomes 1, and if we write 5 divided by 2, it will provide us 2.5. Okay, so modulus gives us remainder and division do the division. So here we have to check whether the given number is even or odd. So we check a variable x. यहाँ पर हमने x एक वेरिएबल लिया है और उस वेरिएबल के अंदर यूजर से एक वैल्यू को इनपुट कराया है. ओके, x इनपुट एनी पॉजिटिव नंबर इफ x मॉड्यूलस 2. अगर वो नंबर 2 से डिवाइड होने के बाद रिमाइंडर उसका आता है 0. इफ इट गिव्स अस रिमाइंडर 0, देन नंबर इज इवन. जो नंबर आपने इनपुट किया है दैट इज even number. Else print number is odd. Okay, I think it's not so hard. Here we just check only one condition. If that condition is true, the result will display this. If it becomes false, another result will display. Okay, now again we take third example. Subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Okay, here we take two variables a and b and receive the value from the user, and the value will be stored in a and b. Now if a greater than b, अगर आपका a जो नंबर है वो b से बड़ा होगा, then the difference equals to a minus b, because we subtract the smaller number from greater number. Else if this condition becomes false, then difference equals to b minus a. Okay, तो अगर ये कंडीशन false हो जाती है तो सेकेंड it goes to else block, then b minus a. Now the statement will print the difference of. यहां पर आप ध्यान देंगे कि यहां जो मैंने आपको स्टेटमेंट लिखा है वो कुछ इस तरह से है. हम यहां पर लिखेंगे the difference of. अब देखिए यहां पर ये एक स्ट्रिंग है तो इसको हमने डबल कोट्स में लिखा है, बट a जो कि एक वेरिएबल है एंड इट स्टोर्स अ वैल्यू, देन कॉमा a Now again comma, again double quotes and double quotes, comma, b is a variable that stores a value. Then we can simply write it as b, comma, is, comma, difference. Because difference also contains a value. So the variable that contains some value, we don't need to put them in double quotes. Okay, if we put them in double quotes, then it becomes a string and it will print as it is. Okay, now it will print as the difference of 5 and 10 is 5. Okay, when you write the statement this, it will print like that. Okay, because a contains some value, then the value will be printed, and b also contains some value, and difference also contains some value. So the value that is contained in these variables will be printed. Okay, now I think you get the concept of if-else statement. Now I am giving some program to you, and let's try it your home. So the program is write a program in Python. Okay, write a program in Python to check whether the given number, a given number is positive, negative, whether the given number is positive, negative or 0. Okay, to check whether the given number is positive, negative or 0. Okay, now try this program. Now write another program. Write a program in Python to check whether the given number is a buzz number or not. Now here is a word buzz number. Okay, इसको कॉन्सेप्ट को थोड़ा सा हम देख लेते हैं कि बज नंबर क्या है. You should clear about the concept about the buzz number. What is buzz number? Okay, I said to check whether the given number is buzz number or not. So the concept of buzz number is if the number contains 7. If the number contains 7 as its unit digit, or if it is divisible by 7, then it is a buzz number. For example, if I write 107, then it becomes a buzz number because it contains 7 as its unit place digit. Okay? And if I write 217, it is also a buzz number because it is divisible by 7. 7 3 71. It's a buzz number. So the concept is, if a number that contains 7 as its unit place digit, then it becomes a buzz number. Or if it is divisible by 7, then it is also a buzz number. Okay, so try to make a program that fulfill this condition and produce the desired output. Okay, now there is also another program. We have 3 numbers. Okay, we have 3 numbers. Now write a program in Python to check whether which of the following number is greatest. It means you have to find out the greatest number from 3 numbers. Okay, so these are some programs you can try at your homes, and in the next video I will show you the code of these programs. If you have any doubt, then please let me know the problems that you face in that programs. Okay, now we move to the next concept, that is if else, that is if else ladder. Okay, the next is if else ladder. If else ladder, it means again we are checking the condition and condition if else कि अगर ये स्टेटमेंट ठीक है तो ये एग्जीक्यूट हो जाए, अगर ये ठीक नहीं है, if it is false, then the next statement will print. If it is also false, then it moves to the next block. Then the third one is if ladder. Okay, if ladder. So the syntax of this, if condition statements and if condition statements and if condition statements, and when you want to end the condition in the last, you just write else statements. So this is the syntax of else if statements. Okay, it means there are some programs where we need to check the condition and again. So that time we use this if else ladder. For example, there is a program, यहाँ पर आप प्रोग्राम बना सकते हैं, जैसे you just enter the percentage of a student and according to the percentage print the grade of the student. Okay, कि आपने स्टूडेंट की परसेंटेज को यहाँ पर प्रिंट कराया, एंटर कराया, लाइक परसेंट इक्वल्स टू इंटीजर इनपुट, enter the percent. As an integer. It means I just write statement, enter the percentage as an integer. It means there is no need, the user will not enter like 5%, 85%, not, just enter 5, 85, 90. Okay, the user just enter the percentage as an integer. Okay, so we write the statement for the percentage. Now just decide the criteria in your mind, like if percentage, okay, greater than equals to 90, okay, print your grade is A. Got it? What I want to say? In the same way, and if percent greater than equals to 80, okay, then print your grade is B. So in this way you can use this condition, but यहाँ पर हमारे सामने एक प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है कि हम अगर कोई परसेंटेज 80 हुई या 80 से ज्यादा हुई, ओके, और 90 तक हो जाएगी तो B होगा, 90 से ऊपर या 90 तक होगा तो A होगा. वी कैन ऑल्सो डिसाइड द रेंज. हम यहाँ पर रेंज भी डिसाइड कर सकते हैं, लाइक if percent is greater than 70 and percent less than equals to 79. It is on you, it is up to you how can you set the percentage and set the grade according to the percentage. Okay, then print your grade is C, else print pass. So in this way you can set the grade of the students. It means in this way you can use the if-else statement. Okay, if you got this, I have a program. So check. The program is to find out again the greatest number between the three numbers. Now the condition is if-else statement. Now you have to use if-else statement. Okay, and the last control statement will be if-else, nested if-else, that we will continue in our next video. Okay, thank you.